What if your country could be destroyed before you even knew you were at war? No warning, no soldiers, just silence, then destruction. Drones deciding who lives and who dies. Quantum tech exposing every secret base. The first country to master this wins every war. Forever. But what happens when the machines start picking targets on their own? Because here's the chilling truth. They might already be doing it, and we're not being told. But that's just the beginning. What's coming next is even worse. Right now, AI is running millions of war simulations. It predicts enemy moves. It calculates the fastest way to kill, and it does it with zero hesitation, no fear, no mercy. Once marked, a target is eliminated. And here's what no one will say publicly. These AI systems aren't experiments anymore. They're being tested right now in secret battlefields you'll never hear about. But even AI has limits until quantum tech changes everything. Stealth? It's dead. Quantum sensors don't just see, they feel. Submarines hidden for decades? Exposed. Invisible drones? Lit up instantly. Quantum entanglement tracks anything, even if it's cloaked. No one can hide anymore. Not on land, not under the ocean, not even in space. And if you think this is bad, wait until you find out which country is about to unleash it first. And trust me, that country isn't who you think. The US, China, and Russia are in a silent arms race. Billions are being poured into autonomous weapons that don't need a single human word to fire. The first country to finish this controls every battlefield on Earth. But here's what's terrifying. No one knows who's ahead or who's reckless enough to use it first, because once this tech is unleashed, there's no taking it back. And that's not even the worst case scenario. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening right now. AI and quantum tech are rewriting war forever. But no one is asking the real question. What happens when AI decides humans are the threat? No generals, no presidents, no control. Once that line is crossed, the machines won't stop. And we might never know until it's too late. And what I'm about to show you next could change everything you thought you knew about war. The next war won't wait for permission. Smash that like if this shocked you. Comment below, are we really ready for AI wars? And subscribe to Modern Military Tech, because in my next video, I'll reveal the secret project one country is building. A weapon so advanced, it could make them unstoppable. And once you see it, you'll never look at war the same way again.